My name is Brenda Gridley, Registered Dietitian Nutritionist for Ironwood Cancer and Research Centers. Today I'm going to make a tropical turmeric ginger smoothie that is packed with delicious, good-for-you ingredients that'll make you feel good from the inside out. First, I'm going to use one frozen banana. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium and fiber, and it's going to bring a creamy sweetness to this smoothie. Next, we're going to use 1/2 cup pineapple. Did you know that pineapple contains a natural enzyme called bromelain, which can aid in digestion? Then we're going to add 1/2 cup frozen mango, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Ginger is very beneficial for digestion and it can help combat nausea. Next is our 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. Turmeric is known in ancient Chinese and Indian traditions for being anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. Next, we're going to add 1 organic raw carrot. I'm going to use 1 because I'm running out of room. This is going to help give the smoothie an orange hue. Next, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt for a protein boost. And lastly, 1 cup full-fat coconut milk. The active component in turmeric is fat soluble, so that's why I recommend using a full-fat milk base. Now we're going to add 1 pinch black pepper. Black pepper is required for turmeric to be absorbed, so please don't omit this. Okay, now we're going to blend all the ingredients together. Okay, you see how it's got that pretty golden orange hue. Into your glass. And then you can garnish it with some superfoods. I like to use shredded coconut, chia seeds for omega-3 content, pretty little crystallized ginger to also aid in that nausea that you might be experiencing, and fresh mint. Here is your tropical turmeric ginger smoothie. Please visit the Ironwood website for the full recipe and ingredients.